it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today I have quite the exciting Chanel sneaker unboxing for you. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. If you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like it here on this channel. So I highly suggest that you go down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, all of that business. Come and join us in our family of luxury addicts. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so in my luxury Christmas list video, I mentioned a specific pair of Chanel Cruise 2020 trainers that completely stole my heart, okay? The issue arose when I phoned up a few Chanels in London and got to the bottom of the fact that they are completely sold out in the UK. Okay, I see how it is, Chanel. I see how it is. I follow an account called Thread Styling, and I thought, you know what? I cannot not have these sneakers, so let me just inquire and see how it works and all of that. So I clicked on the little link in the bio and got matched with my stylist, who is Sophie. So I basically said, listen, I need these shoes, I'm a 39, how does this work? So she basically said, yep, I can get these shoes for you. The price of the shoes are £790, and then Threads charges a £75 styling sourcing fee, and then there was, I think, £15 shipping. So I was like, you know what? I'm willing to pay that. I'm willing to pay that for these sneakers, you know. I need a la flex. So I prepaid this price up front, and so as soon as they came in, they would be dispatched straight to me. She was great because she also advised me on the sizing. She said, look, these are coming up for everyone that's had them so far. They've said that they're coming up big. So I think you should go for a 38 and a half. I have a 38 and a half coming in this week. And she said, listen, if it's not a good size, then you can always return them and we can source you a 39. So I was like, you know what? Let me try the 38 and a half. My moral of that little story was I would highly recommend Threads. Sophie has been amazing to work with. I will link her personal Thread styling Instagram page for you to follow her. She is a true gem. It basically arrived in this massive white box, magnetic closure, you know, she fancy. And then inside the box, oh, also, I had absolutely no qualms about them being genuine. They just know what they're talking about, featured in Vogue and all of that. I really don't think Vogue is out here doing interviews with sus styling and sourcing companies. Anyway, so I had full faith, and she said, if you want the receipt, I can get you the receipt, all of that. So it came in this packaging, dun 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 dun, and she also has the festive ribbon. She was all wrapped up, looking cute, ready for me to unwrap her. Wonderful, very thick ribbon, very thick ribbon, Chanel. Let me tell you everything you need to know about these shoes. I'm gonna style her a little bit at the end as well, just to give you a little bit of inspiration. See how she's on the foot, you know? Okay. So inside we have a tiny book all about chasseurs that will probably tell me how to look after them, and I will ignore it every time and hope for the best. She comes complete with 2 glorious, wonderful dust bags. Thank you so much. Hi. Hi. So fresh and so mother effing clean, you know? I also love the fact that they're out here giving me extra laces, so shout out to that. Yes, the sizing does come up big. I'm usually a size 39. These are a 38 and a half, and even then I would say that they are just the tiniest bit a little bit too big, but in the winter months, and it is definitely cold here, your feet shrivel. That was an unsavory way of putting it. Honestly, if I wear thick socks, I'm good, you know? So I am very happy with getting these half a size down. They do come in white or black, but I like the black way more in this. We have a mix of materials on the shoe. So let's start off with the bottom. We have the white, again, quilted. You've got that Chanel vibe the full way through on this shoe. You've got tiny CC just there on the corner. She's the same on the inside. Then we basically have this kind of plastic detailing here. Then there's like a rubberized section here. This bit is like a neoprene. And then right here on the top, this section is suede. Okay, so you have a real mix here. The toe here is again rubberized, and you have this wonderful metal CC just like catching the light. And then at the back we have this kind of piece of elastic that has Chanel written across the back. What can I tell you about these shoes? The comfort is second to none. I could run a marathon in these. Would I ever? No, but you know what I'm saying. That neoprene gives it that level of lightness. It is just easy. Actually did not expect to be this impressed with them when I got them. Not that like, I mean, obviously I love them and everything else, but I was just like, okay, no, like I'm impressed with the level of comfort here. So now we get on to how the hell am I gonna make this work? You know, how are we gonna flex? Listen, this is quite a simple sneaker that I have zero issues trying to make work. You know, this, you don't have to overthink this at all. It's black, it's white, it's gonna go with everything. Let me know what you think about my new Chanel sneakers. What do you think of them? Would you consider? Let me know. Guys, I'm going to link to another video here in case you're not quite finished with me. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.